All right, so this is lesson 5-2, 9 as a factor. And in this lesson, we're going to be looking at equations, multiplication equations that have a 9 as one of the factors. And there's a neat little trick that we can use, which is called the 9's trick. Okay, so anytime we're multiplying by 9, we're going to focus our attention on the other factor. So we have two factors here in this equation, 9 and 2. We're going to focus on the other factor, which is 2. Okay, and we're going to subtract 1 from 2. And the answer is going to be the first digit in the tens place of the answer. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this answer, the product has a 1 in the tens place. Okay? To get the digit in the ones place, we have to ask ourselves, how many more fingers do I need to add to 1 for it to equal 9? And that is 8, because 8 plus 1 is 9. So my answer is 18. Okay? Looking on to the next one. Well, we just learned about the 5s. Okay, so for this one, we can either skip count by 5s, or we can use the 9's trick. Okay? Let's use that 9's trick, okay? Again, focus our attention on the other number, the other factor, not 9, which is 5. Subtract 1 from 5, and we get 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then we ask ourselves, how many more fingers do we need to add to 4 for it to equal 9? Stick 4 in your head and count up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 more fingers. So our answer is 45. Now again, we can skip count by 5s. 9 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, right? We can even use the clock, okay, for the 5s. And 9 on the clock, the 9th hour, stands for 45 minutes. So either of those three strategies can help you to get that answer. Let's go on to the next one. 9 times 3. Again, focusing our attention on the 3. 3 minus 1, subtract 1 from that 3, and we get 2. Since we're multiplying by 9, we ask ourselves, how many more fingers do we need to add to 2 for it to equal 9? We already have 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That right there is 7. 27 is our answer. Then the last one, anytime we're multiplying by 0, our answer is always going to be 0. Okay? Another trick that we can use with our 9s is to hold up our 10 fingers. And let me zoom out just a little bit so we can see that. Okay? So, let me zoom out a little bit more. So for this, if we're focusing our attention on this one, back to this one, 9 times 3. Okay, we can hold up our 10 fingers, right? And it's 9 times 3, so I'm going to put my third finger down. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to hold it down. And that finger is like a line splitting my ones place from my tens place. In my ones place, I have 5, 6, 7. I have a 7 in my ones place. In my tens place, I have a 2. 2 and 7 make 27. All right? So that's another little trick that you can use as well.